Hello my friends. Here I have 10 cups of white hominy, and what I'm going to do is make this into a corn flour. These are cans of white hominy, and when I look at the can, this one can is about 3.5 servings per container. The salt is my concern. Okay, sodium, 610 milligram. Now this is 3.5 servings, so that's over 2,000 milligram of sodium. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to boil them, trying to remove sodium from the hominy. First thing that I want to do is drain the cans and give them a rinse. I'm going to boil this. I'm draining the hominy right now to get any of the excess moisture out, and then I'm going to put it in my dehydrator. I measured the volume of this. It's 10 cups. When it's dried and ground into a flour, I'm going to measure the volume so I know the proper proportion for its use. The dehydrator is loaded up and I have it spaced out evenly. There's 4 trays, 10 cups total. So we're going to turn this on, leave it dry overnight, and see what we can reduce it down to. The dehydrator is finished running, and all of this is very dry. And what I'm going to do is grind it up in my mortar and pestle. There's quicker ways of doing this. You can get a coffee grinder, put this in a coffee grinder, or possibly even a food processor. Traditional method would be mortar and pestle, and it was a pounding method. I'm using a screen to get it sized and throwing the bigger chunks back in and pulverizing again. We started with 10 cups, and right here is the 2-cup mark. So we finished at 14 ounces. So not quite 2 cups. So that's quite a bit reduction. This container contains 10 cups of hominy, and as it's dried and powdered into a flour, it's holding approximately 2 cups. It actually is 14 ounces. This is the result. We had 10 cups of hominy that we rinsed, drained, and then dehydrated. After grinding it into a flour, we have 14 ounces remaining. That's this jar. Okay, so we had 6 cans of hominy, and each can was 15.5 ounces. That's approximately 12 cups in those cans. That came down to a very accurate or very close ratio of a 6:1. Now this flour can be used for baking in different meals, and it also was used on the trail. It's a high energy, very light, compact food. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.